Ever tried uploading a PDF and got the dreaded file too large error? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to shrink any PDF file in seconds using a free app called iLovePDF. It's quick, easy, and works on both phone and computer. Step 1. Download, open iLovePDF. First, go to the Play Store or App Store and search iLovePDF. Download and open it. Or if you want to use the browser, just visit ilovepdf.com in your browser. Step 2. Choose Compress PDF tool. On the home screen, tap on Compress PDF. A file picker will open. Select the PDF you want to reduce. Step 3. Pick compression level. Now iLovePDF gives you options: extreme compression, smallest file but slightly lower quality, recommended compression, balance between size and quality. Less compression keeps high quality but file is larger. For most cases, choose recommended. Step 4. Download and share. Tap Compress PDF. In just a few seconds, your smaller PDF is ready. You can download it, share via email, or save to cloud storage like Google Drive. And that's it. Your PDF is now lightweight and ready to go. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss more Smart Apps tricks that make your digital life easier.
Are your files too big to upload? Do you wish your apps could work smarter? Welcome to Smart Apps Tricks, the channel where your favorite apps become powerful tools. We show you how to shrink files, save data, and unlock hidden app features, all without stress. Whether you're a student, business owner, or everyday phone user, our tips are quick, clear, and easy to follow. New videos drop every week, so hit that subscribe button and start mastering your apps the smart way.